Welcome to Treasure NFT, the world's gateway to innovative digital creations. By 2025, we aim to redefine the NFT landscape with cutting-edge technology, global strategies, and community-driven initiatives. Our mission is to internationalize Treasure NFT through multi-channel marketing, expand into North America, Europe, and Asia, and lead the industry with groundbreaking features, such as metaverse integration and AI-driven creativity. A vibrant flagship office opening, local artists creating NFTs, and a bustling crowd at a Treasure NFT event. In Asia Pacific, we're establishing a 300 square meter flagship office, collaborating with regional artists, and introducing multi-language support to enhance user experience. In Europe, we're participating in international art fairs and forming partnerships to deepen engagement with art enthusiasts. In North America, our collaborations with universities will nurture young creators, while media partnerships will boost brand recognition. We're launching an advanced NFT staking system, expanding ambassador initiatives, and enhancing cross-chain compatibility to create a robust NFT ecosystem. Our global workshops and Treasure NFT Academy empower enthusiasts with the knowledge to thrive in the NFT space. We're also championing environmental sustainability with our Green NFT program. From brand partnerships to artist incubation programs, we're fostering creativity and innovation globally. Our goal is to achieve $1 billion in annual transaction volume and grow our global user base to 8 million by 2025. With strategic marketing campaigns, global events, and robust risk management, Treasure NFT is committed to leading the market responsibly. Join us on our journey to make NFTs the cultural, economic, and technological bridge to an unlimited digital future. Together, we'll shape the next chapter of innovation. Welcome to Treasure NFT, the world's gateway to innovative digital.
এখন দেখাবো আমরা যে প্রতিদিন ইনকাম নেই, ঠিক আছে? এই দেখেন ইনকাম, হ্যাঁ, $2। দেখেন মেয়ে মানুষ ইনকাম নিতেছে $1.45 দেখেন মেয়ে ফাতেমা, সবাই ইনকাম নিতেছে। এখানে কোনো ইনকাম ছাড়া কোনো কথা নাই।